YouTube, it's Dina B from Let's Try and See, and I got my Nubian 2 Juvia's Place palette in the mail today, and I've already made a mess of it, obviously. Oh my gosh. And I literally got it in the mail today. Like, I suck. But I just wanted to show you the beautiful colors that we're working on, and I pulled off this beautiful jewel toned look. And I hope you guys really like it. And if you're interested in seeing how I got it, stay tuned. But before you go into the video, hit that subscribe button. Bang that bad boy. That's right. All right, see you soon. Hey guys, now as you know, we always start with our brows done off camera because they take 5 million years. And look, I got my Nubian 2 palette. Check out these colors, aren't they pretty? And look, both palettes, you can tell I'm excited, can't you? Yeah. So we're gonna go into our Magic palette, and we're gonna grab that color Kisi first, and we're gonna create a white base. This is my new go-to so that I can have a brighter pop when it comes to my colors. So I'm grabbing a fluffy brush or a fluffier brush to create that white base. So that's what you see me doing here. So I'm gonna do that on both eyes. And I'm gonna blend that in to the best of my ability. And then I'm gonna go into the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm gonna grab the color Morocco. Now Morocco is a muted orange. It's slightly duller than the other color Zakaya in the other Magic palette, but I was really excited about using this palette, so that's what I'm going for, the color Morocco. And as you can see, I'm creating a beautiful transition. It's not too bright, not too dark, it's perfect. I'm gonna do that transition shade. Then my next color I'm gonna go for is this color called Kenya. It is a matte, and it's like a brown, but it's not a too dark of a brown, but it is matte. So I am going to go over my mobile lid with that color. I love this palette. I know I say that a lot, but just wanted to let you know that I absolutely love this palette. I've already got my eyes on another palette, but don't tell nobody. Shh, it'll be our secret. So then the next color is Lila, which is a very, very dark purple. And so I'm going on top of Kenya with that, and basically creating a purpley brown shimmer. So that's what I'm doing there. It's gonna be like a jewel tone smoky eye. It's really pretty. And then I am going to go in on top of that with Nairobi, which is like a goldish color. And I said, ooh, that's pretty. How can I make that prettier? And then I grabbed a fluffy brush and I blend that in a little more. So it's basically like a halo style. And then I grabbed another color, which is Zuri, and I went over my brow bone, basically defining my arch, which is very, very nice. And then I basically erased a little bit, so. And then I went into the color Egypt, and I went over it just with a gentle wash of color. And it's very, very pigmented, so it didn't need that much pressure to change that gold to like a reflective green. It's so pretty. Those jewel tone combinations are gorgeous. Like, this is a very wearable look. Obviously, I liked it. And then I am going into Zuri, and I'm going into my inner tear duct just to basically add a pop of color there. And then I'm cleaning that up with a makeup wipe. Makeup wipes are the tool, I tell you. Like when it comes to getting fallout and cleaning up your face real quick, it's amazing. I gotta stock up. I'm actually about to run out. So then I go in and get this gel liner from Maybelline, and I'm grabbing my my angled brush, and I am going to line my eyes. And it just goes over these Juvia's Place eyeshadows so easy. So easy. It's so pretty. Look how black that is. That's from Maybelline. It's really, really good. So now I'm going back into the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm going to grab Morocco, and I'm going to bring out my transition color a little more so that it's more prominent. I didn't want it to get lost through the shading of the rest of the colors. So I'm going back in to basically touch that up so that it can be seen a little better. Then I'm cleaning up my face. Now it's time to do the face. So first thing I'm going to do is throw on a primer, which I probably did off camera already. And then here is my foundation. And I am fixing my fallout. There was a little bit of fallout on my foundation. So, oh yeah, it wasn't actually fallout. It was like a little bit of the gel liner that was on that blender. So here we are with my Maybelline 24-hour foundation in the color 356. Now, under the lights, I know the color looks a little drastic, but if you pay attention to the color on my neck, it actually does match. Just looks a little drastic under these lights. But I'm going to go ahead and proceed with my regular makeup routine, which is foundation, then highlight with the Age Rewind concealer. Then I go over it with my black opal powder, and then I contour with my black Radiance. You know the drill. You know the drill. So I'm going to leave you to it. Now, I felt like a darker lip would look good, so I'm using this Ruby Kisses matte lipstick, and the name of the color has rubbed off, so I apologize, but it's just basically a jewel tone, purpley color that's really, really pretty. And then we go from there, and that's pretty much the look. Now I'm cleaning it up with a makeup wipe. Guys, get you guys some makeup wipes. I'm telling you, this is your best friend. That way, if you make a mistake, you don't have to clean your whole face off to fix something, you know? So I'm going over and making sure my lips are fully lined and fully filled in. And I really like this, so that's my look. And that's how I got this beautiful look. This is a beautiful jewel toned halo eye, and that's how I got it. So I hope you really like it. I just wanted to come on here real quick and try something different, try something new, you know. Wanted to use my Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette because I am in love with Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. They're amazing. But yeah, if you guys do try any of the looks, please don't forget to tag me in your pictures. I would love to see. My Instagram name is TheRealDinaSmith. I would love to see that, please. And you can either follow me on Instagram, I'll follow back. I don't have no problem following back. I'd love to see my subbies, so thank you for subbing. And make sure you guys check back for a new video coming up soon. All right, bye.